Hi, welcome to 50 Plus Tech. So I have decided I have another channel. It's a lifestyle channel, and I've been recording to that every single week without a problem because I just turn the camera on and start talking. So that's kind of what this is going to be like. And this week, what I wanted to do was show you the difference between the Temu magnifier and the Amazon magnifier. So let's do that. This is something I'm going to show you a little later. Let me put it back here. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I had already, in my last video, I showed you the magnifier from Amazon. What is this one? This is something else I'm going to show you a little bit. Okay. So I am a huge fan of these magnifiers. Like I said last week, or last time I posted, I have one for, I haven't put the one that goes here up yet. We'll do that in a little bit. But I have one that goes on my puzzle table, and I have one that goes here. And I thought a third one, maybe I'll put that in my room when I'm reading, that sort of thing. That'll help because at 60, this is 50 Plus Tech, but I'm 60 now. At 60, my eyes are not getting much better. They're getting worse. My dad had really bad eyes. I'm assuming I'm probably going to have the same thing. But I have a lot of hobbies that I like 3D printing and things like that that require me to be able to magnify things so I can see them. And sometimes it's just a matter of being able to see the medicine bottle. Although my glasses are good, they're decent, but some of the stuff I do is very small. So we looked at this last week, and what I want to do today is show you what the difference is. So this is the Amazon one. I'll put the price up there, what I paid for it, and it's basically goes on the side of the table. I brought a knife just in case for when I open stuff. It goes right here on the side, and then you can let me plug it into the thing here so you can see what it looks like and how bright it is and stuff like that. I've got a little plug thingy right here. And this was also from Temu. This, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, I got one of these also from Temu, and it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets and 3 USB and 1 USB-C. So pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. So this is the magnifier. And then it has a little attachy thing. Can you see it okay? I'm hoping the lighting is not so bad that you can't see. I apologize if that's the case. How did I turn it on? Ah! Okay, so there it is. Might be muted because I've got other stuff going on. You can change the tone, so like from, yeah, daylight and not daylight. So this one has worked really well in the front room. Let me turn it off. It's attached to my huge rolling puzzle table where I do my puzzles. And this one that's here is going to go back here. When I'm done with this video, I will attach it and we will see. Okay, so, and it comes with a little plug thingy. I said, okay, well, let's see, because somebody asked me for the Temu link, and this isn't from Temu. This is the one that I bought. This one here isn't from Temu. This is from Amazon. I'll put the price and everything else. This right here is from Temu. All right. So, I will put the image of the one that I ordered on Temu. I didn't check to see what the size was in comparison to this one. I just picked the magnifier. So, all right. Oh, it's like different. Okay, let me show you. I got to figure out how to do. I'm not wearing that little, remember that little necklace thing I got last time, so I can show you. But okay, so this is the glass, the magnifying glass, and this is the thing that you attach. Now, is it the same size? Let me see. Does this one come off? Because this is like, does it come off? No. No, it's attached. But are they the same size glass? Let me see real quick. I may cause myself some, oh. Okay, so the glass on the Amazon one, the magnifier on the Amazon, it's smaller. Maybe not. Maybe it's the same. It looks about the same size. But the difference is this magnifier on the Amazon one is attached already with a little thingy. Okay. So I don't know if anybody cares about that, but that's interesting because this, the Temu one, it has a little, you can see that thing? And then I'm assuming you stick it in there. Oh, you have to pull on the cable, right? I don't want to hurt myself. Okay, yeah, you pull the cable through. You see what I'm doing here? Okay. Don't hurt myself. Don't hurt myself. Struggling. Okay, well, you need to get it to the point where you can drag the cable through the little opening and then attach this and then turn it. Oh, so it's pretty much the same. It's just that this one has a little more flexibility with the cable, if that makes sense. So you can pull the cable through here. Okay, so that's good. I like it. I like that. It feels smaller. This is the Temu one. Okay, look at the, in terms of the thing that's holding, is this the same size? I don't want to hurt myself. I'm confusing the freak out of people, I'm sure. Sorry about that. All right, so this is the Amazon one, and this is the Temu one. This one's smaller. Okay, so it's not as tall. This one's taller. If you look at them side by side, you see that? So not that that's going to make a huge difference, but it's different. So if you're looking for a smaller one, you don't need, because I might actually, I was thinking about using this one on my puzzle table instead, because it isn't as large in its overall size, so it won't feel as overwhelming. And the one other thing that's different about this particular one, the Temu one, and I have a knife. I brought my knife. Where'd my knife go? No, don't be lost. Aha, it's like tape when you're wrapping presents. Okay, so the Temu one, the Temu one comes with a base. So I think it really matters choosing between the two. They look like the same quality. It doesn't look like one has better quality than the other. Excuse me a second while I try and figure myself out here. Well, I almost did it. Okay, so I can't really tell the difference in terms of quality between the Amazon one and just that this is a smaller one. It's the thing is smaller. So if I go like this, I don't know if you guys probably can't see it. Okay. So if I take the box out of here, I'm always making big old piles back there. Okay, so I'm going to hold this up so you can see. But this is the base. I'll figure out how to move the Osmo so that it will move down to show the items. But this is the one from Temu. And to me, it looks fine. Let's see what the lighting is like. Let me turn this, let me plug it in. It's got a little USB plug, and it has the same little thingy on the cable. I don't know what you call these little things that are attached to the cable that turn stuff off and on. What do you call them? Tell me in the comments. I don't know what they're called. Or maybe when I'm editing, I'll look it up and put it in there so you know what it's called. Okay, so this is the one. What does it say here? Okay, so if I push this, oh, not bad. Pretty good light, although you have to be really, okay. It has the change of the tone. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move it up here a little bit. I'm not going to point it right at you. I'm just going to let you see what the tone is, and you may not be able to see it very well because of the way I have the lighting right now. But to me, it looks good. It looks good. What's a minus? Oh, reduction in brightness. And the plus is the moving the brightness up. And then this is to change the tone, like from daylight to other stuff. And so that's pretty good. And then it also has, a thing for the side. So if you want to attach it to the table. So I think I'm going to put the price up. I don't remember how much it cost. But if you're just looking for something simple and you're not anticipating long term use, that the Temu magnifier is fine. I think it'd be just fine. It looks good to me. I don't see any issues. It's just smaller. It's not as big as the one from Amazon. So that's that. I think that's good. I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to do another video. I've got a couple other videos to do. I'm going to do a video on putting the screen on my 3D printer. I'm going to do a video on a couple other things, but I'm going to do them separate. So thank you so much for making it to the end, and I will be back, and we will look at some other things. But the Temu, the Amazon is a bigger magnifier, not the magnifier itself, not the actual light with the magnifier, but the what do you call it, the arm? The arm on the Amazon one is bigger, but they might have a bigger size. This might be a smaller Temu size. So I will double check that and compare the two, and I will put that up here. And I think that's it for me today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those who subscribed last time around, and I really appreciate you, and I will be back soon. Thank you. All right, Fazmeister, let's go. I gotta figure out the lighting in this thing.